Hey guys, so today we kinda got a swarm going on, but it's almost as if they half swarmed and the other half abort mission. And so here's the here's these guys here. See, I don't know if there's a queen in there or not. So anyway, so half the bees, it's like they all swarmed up and half of them changed their mind. The other half said, we'll swarm over here. And they're still in the process of gathering. But you can see they're all over the ground everywhere. They're flying around, gathering on this branch. So anyway, they're kind of just everywhere. Okay, so I have another beehive that I just purchased just like a couple days ago. I want to give a shout out to Roy Saxton for donating, and also Medicated. Thank you guys so much for you guys bought this bee equipment for me. So thank you, and yeah, maybe I ought to write your name on the side of it. That'd be kind of cool, wouldn't it? Everybody who donates, let's say more than $100 donation towards the bees, will write your name like on the side of the box, and that'll be the name of that hive. Yeah. So let me know your guys' thoughts about that. It's like a adopt a hive. Where you running, Mama Dean? Bee flew on her. She's learning how to get stung. So yeah. So we're going to take, thank you guys for your donations. We're going to take that hive. What I thought I would do is we'll put it in between the two. We'll put it in between that swarm there, and we'll put it in between that hive. And then I'll get maybe some lemon drops, and I'll put in there, and maybe that scent will draw it to it. So I don't know. Let's just see what happens. So this is kind of upwind from them, maybe. That's a whole hive, all the frames. I just barely bought this. I haven't even had time to put wax on it, and I guess I could pull a frame and still frame out of another hive. I'll probably end up doing that just to give them that head start in life, but maybe just for right now I'll put lemon oil in there. It's kind of chilly. I don't know, it's like 50 degrees.
Yeah, and it's weird that they're swarming this.
It's probably even colder than 50 degrees. I mean, I'm wearing a jacket and I'm kind of chilly. Alright, lemon oil. Watch me spill this all over myself.
You'll be the main attraction.
I will be the main attraction to the... Oh. How do I get this on there with... Maybe a little hand. Maybe one in there on the floor. Maybe wipe a little bit on the entrance there.
Yeah.
And one... That's probably good enough, huh? That's pretty strong.
Pretty strong. They can't be mating flight because they just did a mating flight.
I know, I didn't even get a chance to get in that hive yet. It's like lemon drops. Doesn't taste like lemon drops. Ooh, I have high hopes. Looks like there's one bee starting to fan. See, I'll show you. So maybe nothing.
Nothing.
I'm seeing if we can find a frame. I gotta go steal a frame. I like to put a little secret. Put a little bit of wax in your smoker and it melts and it makes it smoke Makes your needles last longer. At least that's my opinion. So this is my biggest hive. We are going to attempt to still a frame of brood to give that new swarm kind of a head start in life. Look at the stinger up. Look at that stinger.
Oh my god. They're instantly.
Instantly. Well, it's cold out.
Yeah. Yep.
Probably gonna get stung in this situation, aren't I?
Hopefully not in the face again. Hopefully
not the face. Not my face. It's a face for YouTube. Not my YouTube face. So, I do have a hive tool. It's reaching for my knife. Cool. Actually, I don't even want this one. I want this other one.
Yeah.
I'll just steal one off the this layer.
Because this is the honey one, huh?
Maybe. This is your this method is more of your traditional style. It's no queen excluder on it, and let me just. It's so heavy. Stingers out. That's what I want. About put back in the one I want. Like that, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Well, let me steal a frame out of here.
Okay.
Because that way it'll be easier when I come back.
Oh, okay.
To put one back in.
Okay.
Oh, and I broke it.
Nice.
So this is why I like this particular tool. Is this needs to be hammered down. This acts as a little hammer. There we go. Ow. Straighten it up. Put this off to the side. Back on. This in here before they get chilled. Smoker. We're outie.
What do you need to do?
Well, There's the frame of brood. Lots of eggs and some extra bees for future help on both sides.
Oh, perfect.
So if they want to make a queen, they can make a queen. Why is that not fitting? What? It's like not the same as their brand.
Yeah.
Here we go. Here's all the bees right here. We'll just lump them right into there. They'll take right to them eggs immediately. About like that. So I got a frame of honey and a frame of brood, and so they'll have a really good head start in life. Put this on here. I'm about grabbed a hold of the bees.
That would be very good.
Now I gotta tell you, I have not got stung, not once yet. I thought I have. This is bad. A lot of times I say ow without ever getting stung. I'll feel like one land on me and I'll be like ow, but then I'm waiting for the pain and no pain. I'm like, oh, I didn't get stung. I don't know why, it's just a habit to say ow when a bee lands on you. They've trained me well, but I haven't got stung yet.
That's good.
48 degrees.
48.
Windy. 47 degrees, windy, overcasted, wearing dark clothes. Not got stung once. And the reason why is because of the bloodline of bees. I know which bees these came out of, and they're super nice. And this is a strain that we're trying to develop here on the Outlaw Homestead. Not to mention other strains of bees I have that are trained to attack. They're attack bees. Hey guys, thank you for watching the show. This will be different from this one. So this is the power coming in. It'll be a different video, right? And which one are we putting out first? Put this one out first, and then we'll put the power one out after that. So while we're watching the guys put power in, we caught a swarm. That's pretty cool. And so we'll just let them get into their hive. Also, see how the donations help. It's because of your guys' donations and support and your comments and your thumbs up that we're able to buy equipment and find homes for these bees. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.